Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we will try to find out the current offers that are going on YouTube TV. So as you can see that currently I'm on YouTube TV, that is tv.youtube.com. So over here you can try YouTube TV absolutely for free for 10 days. Plus currently the latest offer that is going on here is of 6 months. So for 6 months you are going to get YouTube TV subscription for $69.99 per month instead of $82.99. And as I said earlier, this will be for the first 6 months, and after that you will have to pay the regular payment, that is $82.99 per month. You can cancel anytime, but there are terms and services that apply to it. This offer will end on 31st March 2021. So if you are interested in this offer, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could check it out. So this is the current offer that is going on. Previously there was a 30-day free trials on YouTube TV, but now with its increasing popularity they have provided you only 10 days free trial. However, this offer seems very good to me. However, that is completely your choice whether you want to select the or go for this offer or not. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.